Alright, YouTube landers, we got this sweet 12 valve Cummins in our fleet now. As you remember, you might have seen in previous videos, I had an 05 F350 that was a dually. I got tired of 6 tires, so now we have 4. So for me to buy a Dodge, I'm not really a Dodge fan, but I like the Cummins. I had to find a one owner, and it's a true one owner Pennsylvania truck. It was sold right down the road from us, and it has a good bit of miles, but you know, it's super clean. Still has the factory air box, and there's like not a lick of oil on it, which is impressive for any 12 valve Cummins in my opinion. And there's almost no rust. The doors are rusty, but we have a replacement fender and a different hood, which is what we have to get. We're gonna paint the whole truck, so it doesn't really bother me. It's got the 90s clear coat feel on the roof and the faded and all that junk, but it's super solid, super clean. A couple dents here and there. We were out this morning and I realized we didn't do our intro video to the new like project getter, whatever you want to call it. So we're out picking up another one this morning that we will introduce to you later. Check this out. It does have a tear in the seat, which we'll get our buddy to fix, but it still has the factory radio. It's got the 5-speed. The dash has a couple cracks in it, which they are known for that, so we're gonna have to replace that. We got a headliner to a Trans Am back there, don't want to ask any questions. But yeah, she's super clean, super original. It does need painted, which is a downside to it, but any 25-year-old vehicle nowadays needs painted unless it's already been done. This is how you gotta find them if you're gonna find it. Yeah, 6 in a row and ready to tow. Oh yeah. You might not believe this, but it still has the factory clutch too, from what we can understand. Good design. It's a nice little racetrack. First here so we can do it. Guess how fast we're going?
7.
7.